Hello children, here I am, your AM ma'am, and today we are going to begin with our grammar lesson. And today's lesson is pronouns. Well, jog your memory. What is a pronoun? Well, a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun or a noun phrase. Now, let's see the kinds of pronouns. Now, let's have a look at the kinds of pronouns. So we have personal pronouns, and these personal pronouns have certain possessive forms which show belonging or possession. They are called possessive pronouns. Then we have reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and we have distributive pronouns. Don't worry, we're going to go slow. We're going to discuss each kind in a very relaxed manner. Now let's have a look at this chart. What does it say? Personal pronouns refer to person, animals, things, events or ideas. Now let us understand them with the help of some examples. You can very well see in this chart over here that I have given. She likes to eat cake. Singular person, so it is she and it's feminine. If the person is plural, we can say they are playing, they. If it's a thing, for example, a dress, you can say it is beautiful. Over here, it is the pronoun. If it's an event, you can say it was a great show. If it is an idea, then you can say I want to hear it. So these are the types of personal pronouns that I have given in the example in the list. Now children, let us move on and see what personal pronouns are. Well, personal pronouns stand for the three persons, that is the first, the second and the third person. Now let us have a look at this chart. Children, personal pronouns vary with the person, the number, the gender or the case. The case is whether it's the subject or the object. Now let's see over here, look clearly. If the person is first and the number is singular, then you say I in subject, me in object. If the person is first again and the number is plural, we say we in subject and us in object. Now for second person, it's always very easy because we always use you. So singular or plural, subject or object, it's always going to be you. Now, if it is the third person, the number is singular and the gender is male, then the subject, we always say he, and for object, we say him. Again, in the third person, singular, if the gender is female, for subject, we say she, and for object, we say her. Now again, in the third person, if it is singular and if it is non-personal or if it is neuter gender, then the subject is always it, or same goes with the object. Now in the third person, if it is plural, we say they in subject, them in object. Okay. Now let us move ahead and see a few more things. Now children, as I told you before, personal pronouns, they have special possessive forms. And these possessive forms are called possessive pronouns. What do they show? They show belonging. They indicate the possession, and to show it, we add apostrophe s to the nouns. For example, a teacher's pen. As you can see, the apostrophe s has been added over here to the noun teacher. But children, let us not get confused. Let us remember that possessive pronouns as well as possessive adjectives both express possession. So we must remember something, and it is possessive adjectives, they always come before the nouns. Again, I am repeating myself. Possessive adjectives, they always come before the nouns. Now let us look at this chart very carefully. The possessive adjectives are given on this side. These box, bat, ball, doll, tail, toys, books, pens, they are the nouns, and these are your possessive pronouns. Now you see, have a look at it carefully. My box. So, box is the noun, and the placing of the word my is before the noun, isn't it? So, my box, my possessive adjective, because it is placed before the noun box. Now, if I were to say the box is mine, the box is mine, then you see the word mine is being placed after box, isn't it? After box. So that is possessive pronoun. I'm just reading out the chart to you, and then we are going to clarify this furthermore with a few examples. Don't worry. Okay? So, your bat or his ball, her doll, its tail, our toys, your books, their pens. In each and every case, these possessive adjectives are placed before the nouns that are given over here. Now, let us go into the next slide. It is explained with few more examples. See over here. A good and healthy chart has been given to you, and they are explained with examples. These are your possessive pronouns and these are your possessive adjectives. Now let us look at the first sentence. The room is mine. Mine is placed after the noun. This is my room. My is placed before the room. That is before the noun. So in each and every case, you see her dress, his book, your bag, our house, their car. The possessive adjectives are placed before the nouns. In the same way, this side you see that the possessive pronouns, hers, his, yours, ours, or theirs, they are all placed after the noun and they show the possession. This room is mine, showing the possession, belonging, my room. But when I'm saying my room, it again becomes possessive adjective. That dress is hers, showing possession, possessive pronoun. That is her dress, showing possession, but possessive adjective. The new book is his, possessive pronoun. This is his new book. This bag is yours, possessive pronouns. Is this your bag? Possessive adjective. The yellow house is ours. Possessive pronouns. Our house is yellow. In each and every case, children, see the placement of the possessive word. Okay? Now, I hope you have all got a clear idea about the possessives as well as the personal pronouns. So, what you're going to do is you're going to open your grammar books to page number 25, and on page number 25 you're going to find exercise A, B and C. Exercise A, B and C will be your home assignment. You are going to do them, and in the next class we shall move on to reflexive pronouns, and in that very class I will also provide you with the answer keys for exercise A, B and C. So until then, all of you go through the slides once again, go through your books. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can always ask me, call me, WhatsApp me. I'm always there for you. And you must do the assignments. Yes, children? Because after understanding, if you don't do the assignment, then it makes no sense. Of course, I will provide you with answer keys, but you must do them and then check, isn't it? All right. So that's it for the day. All of you, stay home, stay safe, and be very, very happy. Bye-bye.